Bridal beauty is a special part of every wedding. Brides and guests alike love the beauty experience on the wedding day. So Gloss and Toss Hair Care is proud to present that perfect gift that every bride can give her bridesmaids and special guests. Introducing the Bridal Beauty 3-piece set from Gloss and Toss. This beauty gift set is sure to be remembered for many years to come and includes 3 of our most loved items. Gloss and Toss Shine Serum, our signature hair serum for gorgeous results in your styling. The Gloss and Toss Detangle Brush, also great for general brushing and styling. Gloss and Toss Flex Spray Versatile Styling Hairspray with Pro Vitamin B5 helps hold and protect. And finally, each Bridal Beauty 3-piece set includes hairstyle tip cards featuring wedding hair tips and ways to keep hair looking and feeling great all year long. Give the gift of beauty to your wedding guests with the Bridal Beauty 3-piece set from Gloss and Toss. Available at glossandtoss.net.